Hi guys, so today we are diving into the rich and flavorful world of Goan cuisine with a hearty and delicious dish, Goan red beans beef curry. Goan cuisine is a beautiful fusion of Portuguese and Indian flavors, and this curry is no exception. We'll be using a blend of warm spices and fiery red chilies to create a deeply flavorful and satisfying mince beef curry that's perfect with rice or crusty bread. Get ready for a taste of Goa that's both comforting and exciting. This recipe is relevantly quick to make, packed with flavor, and perfect for a weeknight dinner. I'll guide you through every step from cooking the mince to achieving that balance of spicy and tangy. So gather your mince, your spices, and get ready to bring the vibrant flavors of Goa to your table. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious and easy to follow recipes. So now let's begin. So first take 400 grams beef mince. Add some salt to taste and then give it a nice mix. And rest it for about half an hour. Then to make the Goan red masala, take a mixer jar, add 8 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 1 fried onion, fry it until it is nice and brown, 1 inch ginger roughly cut, 5 garlic cloves, 1 green chili, 2 cm round tamarind, 2 tablespoon vinegar, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 10 black peppercorns, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 8 cloves, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and half cup water. Add more if required. Then blend this to a smooth paste. So the red masala paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 1 bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 onion chopped, 1 green chili, and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add the red masala paste which was previously made. And add 1 cup water and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes. Then give it a mix. And add the beef mince. Then cook the beef mince for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1.5 cup water and add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the oil is nicely separated. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the oil is nicely separated. Then add half tablespoon ghee or clarified butter, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 1 cup water, and then give it a nice mix. And cook it until the gravy is nice and thick. Then simply add some chopped coriander leaves and give it a nice mix. So the Goan red beef mince curry is ready. And there you have it guys, a delicious and hearty Goan red beef mince curry. I hope you enjoyed cooking this Goan classic with me. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how your curry turned out. Please do like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tasty and easy recipes. It's a flavorful and satisfying dish that's perfect for a weeknight meal or a casual gathering. I encourage you to try this recipe at home and share this taste of Goa. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.